If you want to edit photos on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna open a gallery. Once you open a gallery, over here we need to simply choose the photo that we wish to edit. So let's tap on it. And then at the bottom we should be able to find the editing option by looking at this square with a pen. So this is the photo editor. And there we go. Now over here we should be able to make some adjustments. We can go through all of these different categories that we have in order to find many different filters. Let's say I'm just gonna use the Ultra HD option in this case. And once you are done with the editor, once you are done with editing, you can just tap on save in the upper right corner. And there we go. Now you can actually, well, you do actually save the photo separately, so you still have access to the original unedited photo or video, of course. Leave a like and subscribe.